Crash course on Cuba, vintage cars, historic architecture, and vibrant music scene. Welcome to a crash course on Cuba, a captivating Caribbean nation famous for its vintage cars, historic architecture, and vibrant music scene. Let's explore the unique charm of Cuba, share some interesting stories and examples, and then delve into the top 12 attractions that highlight the beauty and cultural richness of this captivating country. Cuba, an overview. Cuba is a Caribbean island located in the northern Caribbean Sea, known for its picturesque landscapes, rich history, and cultural diversity. The island has a fascinating blend of Spanish, African, and Caribbean influences, creating a unique identity that is reflected in its vibrant art, music, and cuisine. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Vintage cars. Cuba is renowned for its fleet of vintage cars, predominantly from the 1950s. These classic automobiles, lovingly maintained by their owners, offer a nostalgic glimpse into Cuba's past and are an iconic symbol of the country's enduring spirit. 2. Historic architecture. Cuba boasts a wealth of historic architecture, with notable examples in cities like Havana and Trinidad. The colonial buildings, grand plazas, and intricate facades transport visitors to a bygone era, showcasing the architectural heritage of the country. 3. Buena Vista Social Club. The Buena Vista Social Club, a renowned Cuban music group, gained international recognition in the late 1990s. Their music, deeply rooted in Cuban traditions like son and bolero, became a global sensation, shining a spotlight on Cuba's vibrant music scene. Top 12 attractions in Cuba. 1. Old Havana, Havana. 2. Varadero Beach, Varadero. 3. Viñales Valley, Pinar del Rio. 4. Trinidad, Sancti Spiritus. 5. Malecón, Havana. 6. Santa Clara, Villa Clara. 7. Cienfuegos, Cienfuegos. 8. Castillo de la Real Fuerza, Havana. 9. El Capitolio, Havana. 10. Santiago de Cuba, Santiago de Cuba. 11. Valley of the Sugar Mills, Sancti Spiritus. 12. Playa Ancan, Trinidad. In summary, Cuba's vintage cars, historic architecture, and vibrant music scene make it a captivating destination. From strolling through the colorful streets of Old Havana to relaxing on the pristine beaches of Varadero, Cuba offers a rich tapestry of experiences that captivate the senses and immerse visitors in its unique cultural heritage. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our anhubmetaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Now, let's celebrate the beauty of Cuba with a poem. In Cuba's sun-kissed land, where time stands still, vintage cars roam, a sight to thrill. Havana streets, a vibrant tapestry, where history and colors intertwine with glee. Old Havana's plazas, colonial grace. Varadero's beaches, a tranquil embrace. Viñales Valley's beauty, a verdant scene. Trinidad's charm, a journey serene. Malecon's waves, crashing with might. Santa Clara's spirit, burning bright. Cienfuegos' elegance, a coastal delight. Castillo de la Real Fuerza, a fortress of might. El Capitolio's grandeur, an architectural feat. Santiago de Cuba's rhythm, infectious beat. Valley of the Sugar Mills, tales of the past. Playa Ancan's shores, where memories are cast. In Cuba's allure, music fills the air. Buena Vista Social Club's soul laid bare. A land of vintage cars and vibrant art. Cuba's spirit captivates every heart. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.